From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott.
I'm student meteorologist Rob Stanley.
And student meteorologist Brock Stanton.
Here with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Thursday, September 26th. We'll take a look out the window, Rob. You know what? For the first time in about 3 or 4 days, the sun is actually breaking through the clouds out there, and I'll take it.
Yeah, I love it. It's not completely clear, but it's not completely dreary either, so it's a nice middle ground.
Right, exactly. We'll take it after what we've dealt with the last couple of days, but unfortunately, looking forward here over the next few days, I think enjoy any peaks of sun while you see it today because the clouds are coming back.
Yep,
Very
I agree.
thickly the next couple of days. So, yeah, Brock, you want to take us into our daily climatology?
Absolutely. So, taking a look, today's high is expected to reach up to 78 degrees, which is a couple degrees above average, but not too much of 74. Today's record high was set back in 2007 with a high of 93 degrees. This morning's low got down to 66 degrees, which is well above average, the average of 50 degrees. And the record low was set back in 1922 of 27 degrees. Taking a look at our John Wright Skycam, looking east into Lancaster County, we can see overall it's mostly cloudy and the cloud cover is pretty thick, but there are a few peaks of sunshine here and there.
Yeah, and confirming what Brock said, we can see there is a little bit of a gap in the clouds, but overall the state of Pennsylvania is completely blanketed in clouds.
So as we take a look at the radar imagery, what you'll notice is there is still this band of moderate to at times heavy rain over southeastern PA, but that will move out of the region around or shortly before midday. And really, the rest of the afternoon, we shouldn't have to be dealing with too much in the way of precipitation. As we take a look at the Euro model for 8 p.m. this evening, you'll notice that you have this storm system over southeastern Canada and northern New England. And then you also notice major Hurricane Helene, which is likely going to make a landfall this evening as a Category 3 or 4 hurricane in the Big Bend region of Florida. But as far as we're concerned here in southeastern PA and the Lower Susquehanna Valley, we're going to be stuck between those two systems. So the south-to-southwesterly winds this afternoon will usher warmer and more humid air back into the region. Dew points over the next few days will generally be in the mid-60s to even perhaps 70 degrees at times, which is very humid for this time of the year. But with that south-southwesterly flow in place, high temperatures this afternoon should be back in the mid to upper 70s, and a few warmer locations may actually reach the 80-degree mark. As we move forward then into 2 p.m. tomorrow, there is going to be a weak cold front that sags southward through the Commonwealth, and that's ultimately going to stall around the Mason-Dixon line from Friday into Saturday. So with that front over the Mason-Dixon line, there could be a few additional showers tomorrow afternoon, but unfortunately, winds are going to turn back out of the east or southeast tomorrow, so it won't be quite as warm as what we see this afternoon, but highs should still be in the low to mid-70s on Friday. Most of the day will be dry, but showers will return for later Friday afternoon. And then you can't see it here because this is for 2 p.m. on Saturday, but Friday night, there will be a period of steadier rain and drizzle as that outer rain band from what's left of Helene actually moves through the mid-Atlantic states. But in the wake of that initial band of rain, I do think that Saturday goes back to more of that drizzly and showery feel. In fact, most of the afternoon Saturday may be dry, but it's still going to be a very damp and dreary day out there with that easterly flow off the Atlantic. High temperatures on Saturday will struggle to reach the low 70s. So again, keep an umbrella handy over the next several days. I don't really anticipate any flooding issues from this gradual rain. I expect totals of a ½ inch to 1 inch through Saturday afternoon. But overall, there really won't be too many impacts other than that continuation, that kind of damp, dreary, depressing weather, and some standing water in low-lying and poor drainage areas.
And here's our weather forecast. Tonight will be mainly cloudy, warm, and muggy with a low of 68 degrees. Friday will be mostly cloudy and seasonable with a few afternoon showers with a high of 76 degrees. Saturday will be cloudy and humid with areas of drizzle or scattered showers with a high of 72 degrees.
Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Short-Term Forecast. Tune back in tomorrow for the next edition. Until then, enjoy the sunshine this afternoon and keep an umbrella handy over the next few days.
Thank you.
Thank you.